Now, with that video that has so many parents holding their breath, twin boys thankfully surviving after that dresser falls, and now their mom is speaking out. And ABC's Kana Whitworth has more from LA on that. Good morning to you, Kana.
Amy, good morning. Kaylee Shoaf says she knows how lucky her family is. Every 30 minutes, a child is injured by tipping TVs or furniture. And this morning, she has a message for all parents.
It's a terrifying video for parents everywhere. 2-year-old twin brothers Brock and Brody Shoaf seen on their nanny cam playing in their Utah bedroom. The curious toddlers climbing into a drawer, sending the large dresser crashing down. For 2 minutes, Brody tries to free his trapped brother, eventually pushing the dresser just enough for Brock to wiggle out.
Are you strong? Yeah! Yeah!
The boy's mother says she thought her sons were sleeping, but when she checked the baby monitor and saw the toppled dresser,
I ripped off the covers, ran downstairs, flung open the door, and saw them quietly playing in the corner by their crib.
The video serving as a frightening reminder to the Shoafs and other parents about unanchored furniture in homes.
My heart sank. I honestly felt like the worst parent ever, and it was such an easy thing for me that I could have done to prevent what happened to my children.
IKEA, the maker of the dresser who issued a recall last year, reminding its customers that the best way to prevent the tip over of chests of drawers is to anchor products to the wall. The twins escaped unharmed, and this morning their mother encouraging all parents to bolt down their dressers, shelves, and TVs.
We were completely lucky. I think that we were blessed, and it could have been bad.
Well, we want to point out here that Consumer Product Safety Commission urges parents to also avoid displaying items where kids might be tempted to climb up and reach for them. Guys?
Yeah, it looks like that's what the twins were attempting to do there. All right, Kana, thank you very much.